Are you ready for cleaner, clearer, softer water? Frog creates fresh mineral water. That means it kills bacteria 2 ways, with fresh minerals and a low level of chlorine. 50% less. Delivering a combination of chlorine and minerals, your Frog Pool Tender Cycler will help keep the pH balanced and condition the water. Your cycler comes with a fresh new mineral chamber inside. Minerals last 1 pool season or 6 months, whichever comes first. This video will show you how to install a Frog Pool Tender Cycler on your above-ground pool, so you can enjoy no mess, no guess, and no stress water care. If you have questions, call our customer service department at 800-222-0169. To install your cycler, here's what you'll need: the 6-inch PVC nipple and pipe thread tape that came with your cycler, the hose adapter, the section of flex hose, and the hose clamp that came with your filter system. You'll also need to get a flathead screwdriver and a pipe wrench. We'll show you how to install the Frog Pool Tender Cycler on a cartridge, DE, or sand filter. If you have a sand filter, please see your manual for installation options. Now that you've got what you need, let's get started. 1. Apply pipe thread tape onto each threaded end of the 6-inch nipple. 2. Screw one end of the 6-inch nipple into the filter return. Hand tighten it. Finish tightening by turning 1 to 2 revolutions with a pipe wrench. Do not over-tighten. To screw the cycler onto the 6-inch nipple, you will have to tilt the filter. 3. Screw either side of the Frog Pool Tender Cycler onto the open nipple end until upright and secure. 4. Apply pipe thread tape to the threaded end of the hose adapter. 5. Screw the adapter into the other side of the cycler. Hand tighten, and finish tightening by turning 1 to 2 revolutions with a pipe wrench. Do not over-tighten. 6. Take the hose coming from the pool return and attach it to the adapter with the clamp. Tighten the clamp with a screwdriver. The cycler can hang from the nipple, or for more stability, an option is to mount the cycler on a treated wood base using screws, 1 in front and 2 in the back. Now your pool tender system is ready to go. Watch our Frog Pool Tender startup video to learn more about water balance and how to insert your frog minerals, algicide, and chlorine. If you have any questions about installing your Frog Pool Tender Cycler, give us a call. We're happy to help.